Good morning, dear children. Class 6, Subject Social Science, Unit 2 in Civics, Constitution of India. So, in today's class, we are going to revise about the book exercise in Unit 2, Constitution of India. So first one, we are going to revise about the choose the correct answer. So first one is, the question is, the Constitution Day is celebrated on A. January 26, B. August 15, C. November 26, D. December 9. So we have already discussed in the previous classes, the Constitution is nothing but Constitution of India is a set of documentary in which each citizen has to be followed. So this Constitution has been designed on which particular day? Yes, the Constitution Day is accepted on November 26. Second question is, the Constitution Assembly accepted the Constitution of India in the year dash. So, in which year our respective country's constitution has been accepted in the Constitution Assembly? It is accepted only in the year of 1949. Next question is, there are dash amendments made in the Constitution of India till 2016. So the answer is 101. We have already discussed there are nearly 101 amendments made in the Constitution of India. So which is not a fourth question, which is not a fundamental right. So which is not a fundamental right? Yes, the correct answer is right to vote. So what are all the remaining fundamental rights? Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. So these are all the fundamental rights we are following in our country. The last question and choose the correct answer is, an Indian citizen has the right to vote at which year? How many years? Yes, we already know that. We have already learned, if a citizen who have completed 18 years of age, he or she is eligible for voting in our country. So an Indian citizen has the right to vote at the age of 18 years. Next one, we are going to look into the fill in the blanks. So first one, dash was the selected as the chairman of the Constitution Assembly. So who is the chairman of the Constitution Assembly? Think it of, children. Yes, Rajendra Prasad was elected as the chairman of the Constitution Assembly. The father of the Constitution of India is, I repeat, the father of the Constitution of India is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India. So dash protects our fundamental rights. Constitution protects our fundamental rights. I repeat, Constitution protects our fundamental rights. So the Constitution of India came into existence on 26th January. So in which year Constitution of India came to existence? Particularly it came to existence on 26th January 1950. These are all the answers for the fill in the blanks. First one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second one is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Third one is Constitution. Fourth one is 26th January. So next one, we are going to learn about the match the following. First question is Independence Day. So we already know that it is a general question, my dear children. Yes, Independence Day is celebrated on August 15. So next, second question, Republic Day. So when the Republic Day has been observed? So it is on January 26. When is the Constitution of India has celebrated? So it is celebrated on November 26. So right to education is on April 1. So right to education has been amended on April 1. So the correct answer is C, D, A and B. Next one, answer the following in one or two words. In which year was the Constitution Assembly formed? We have already learned Constitution Assembly was formed on the year 1946. So second question, how many members were in the drafting committee? So drafting committee was formed with 8 members. Among that, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the drafting committee head. So in other words, we can tell Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has been acted as the chairman of the drafting committee. So totally 15 members are there in drafting committee. Among the 15 members, 8 members are the women members in the drafting committee and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairman of the drafting committee. So next one, we are going to learn about how many women were part of the Constitution Assembly. So totally 15 women are the part of the Constitution Assembly. I repeat, there were 15 women participants in the Constitution Assembly. Next question, children. When was the Constitution of India has been completed? Yes, the Constitution of India was completed on 26th November 1949. So that 26th November has been celebrated as the Constitution Day. When was the Constitution of India completed? The Constitution of India completed on 26th November 1949. So my dear children, I hope you have all understand about today's classes. Follow up the classes regularly, my dear children. Stay home, stay safe. Meet you all in the next class, my dear children. Bye bye all. Stay home, my dear children.